Hello and welcome back to another exciting video of class 4 computer, and today we are going to start our first lesson of term 2, and the name of the lesson is formatting text in OpenOffice Writer. Now you might be wondering what is this OpenOffice Writer and all that. So you have used OpenOffice is a package, is a free source software, okay, like Word, PowerPoint, Excel we have now. Like same, OpenOffice also provides the same softwares, Writer, Calc, okay, presentation. For that they provide the same softwares, but they are free. Like for Microsoft Office we have to pay something, but OpenOffice is a free software, and this same software is being included in our syllabus also. Before starting, I have something to show you. This is our textbook, means our class 4 textbook. Recently I got it from our library. I hope you also have got your copy, and if you have not, you can use your ebooks also. Okay, so the name of the lesson is formatting text in OpenOffice Writer. So text means whatever we type in our OpenOffice, that will be the text, that will be the input for your formatting. And formatting means what? Formatting means processing on that text to change that text in particular way that it will look good. Okay, and OpenOffice Writer is the name of that application that we are going to use. So let's get started. But before starting, we should know what we are learning in this lesson. So what are we learning? We are going to learn about how to find and replace those words from that particular paragraph, from that particular page, how to create bulleted and numbered list, then to align text in the document, to apply the formatting of one paragraph to another, check spelling and grammar, that you all should do because your spellings are not correct. Improve it. Practice makes man perfect. Then to get synonyms and antonyms of words, to undo and redo changes, to change the line spacing of a paragraph, and to increase and decrease the indentation of the text. Few new words will be there. The same words will be introduced and will be explained while learning that topic. So let's start the first topic, that is find and replace a word. So here one paragraph is been given, okay, on page number 34 of your textbook. One paragraph is given, okay, and that in that paragraph was story is there, a boy who cried wolf, and in that paragraph you have to change particular word because cow is being typed over there by mistake. So how will you replace that word? By using other word, that is wolf. So I am reading paragraph for you. It will not take much of your time. Once upon a time there lived a shepherd boy who was bored watching his flock of sheep on the hill. So like this it will start, and the paragraph I will be putting on your screen also. So in this paragraph, what is being written there? To amuse himself, he shouted, "Cow, cow, the sheep are being chased by the wolf." The sentence is incorrect, right? Cow, cow, and the sheep is being chased by wolf. So he must have to say wolf only. मतलब उसको wolf कहना था, but cow वहाँ पे type हो गया है. So the story is there. After in third paragraph, after a while he got bored and cried cow again, fooling the villagers a second time. Okay, and in last line, cow please help. Okay, the cow is chasing the sheep, help. So the word cow is being used intentionally over there, and you have to change that word. Now what we have to do, हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? Every line we have to take your cursor या फिर अपना माउस पॉइंटर ले लो, उस वर्ड को सिलेक्ट करना है, then you have to use your backspace or a delete key, delete it, then type it again. It will be quite a lengthy process, but our OpenOffice provides us a very nice option, and using that option we can select that word, particular word, and replace that word using other word. And for that we have a separate binocular option we have, and let's see what that option is. So to have that option, these are some advanced formatting tools. Basic formatting में क्या आएगा? Basic formatting, change font size, change font color, underline, italic, bold. These are basic formatting tools. Now we are going to learn about advanced formatting tool, like how to find text and how to replace that text with a particular one. Okay, so the first thing that you are going to learn is how to find and replace a word. So for that we have one find and replace option. So what that option helps us? That option used to replace a particular word, particular phrase. Phrase means sentence भी. We can have that particular line, okay, with some other word. मतलब हमें ये हाथ को इस हाथ से चेंज करना है. That can be done using the find and replace. This is just an example. We are talking about text. So this is used to find that particular word, okay, or a sentence, okay, and replace it with something else. And for that we have option that is called find and replace option. And where that option is found? That option is found in the second bar. Okay, formatting bar is there na? In that formatting bar, below menu bar, one formatting bar will be there, and in that formatting bar you will be getting that option. And how to identify that option? उसके लिए क्या है? Binoculars. Binoculars सबको पता है, दूरबीन. So just click on that and you will get that find and replace option. Now we have paragraph over there. उसमें बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी है, एक शेफर्ड वाली स्टोरी है. So from that we just have to select that particular option, find and replace option, and there will be two text boxes will be there. वहां पे क्या होंगे? Two text boxes will be there. One at the top, you can see there. One at the top, where? Here or here? One at the top. Okay. So there will be option search for. In that search for, you have to write which word you are looking for. हमें कौन सा वर्ड फाइंड करना है, उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? यू हैव टू टाइप दैट वर्ड एंड जस्ट क्लिक ऑन फाइंड बटन एंड इट विल स्कैन वट एवर द पेजेस यू हैव. आपके पास में 10, 100, 150 पेजेस होंगे, कितने भी पेजेस होंगे, योर ओपन ऑफिस राइटर एप्लीकेशन विल स्कैन दोज पेजेस, और उसमें से जहां जहां भी वो वर्ड होगा, वेर एवर दैट वर्ड विल बी, वेर एवर दैट फ्रेज विल बी, दैट विल बी हाईलाइटेड. वो क्या हो जाएगी? हाईलाइट हो जाएगी. दिस इज द फाइंड एंड रिप्लेस ऑप्शन. दिस इज फाइंड ऑप्शन. नाउ इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड वन ओनली, आपको सिर्फ एक ही एंट्री फाइंड करनी है, यू कैन फाइंड वन ओनली. लाइक काउ मोर देन 3-4 टाइम इट इज देयर ना. सो जस्ट टाइप सर्च फॉर काउ एंड क्लिक ऑन फाइंड. So it will show you one cow option. But if you will click on find all option, it will show all the cow words which are present in that. Why I am taking cow word is there because we are discussing about that particular paragraph. जो story वाला दिखाया था मैंने, that only. Okay. Now below that same find and replace window में another text box is there. Replace with. Okay. So in first text box you have to write which word you want to find. Okay, तो वहां पे हम क्या करेंगे? जो वर्ड हमें लिखना है, फाइंड करना है, वो वहां पे टाइप करेंगे. एंड इन द सेकेंड बॉक्स रिप्लेस विथ मीन्स वहां पे हम क्या करेंगे? वी विल टाइप दैट अनदर वर्ड दैट यू वांट टू रिप्लेस. हम वहां पे क्या करेंगे? सेकेंड वर्ड वहां पे लिख लेंगे. एंड हियर ऑल्सो ऑप्शंस आर देयर. रिप्लेस मीन्स इट विल रिप्लेस ओनली वन word, and replace all means it will replace all the words which are present in that document. Understood? And if after doing that just click on close and your result will be there in front of you in your OpenOffice Writer application file. Okay, now steps. Everything has a step. We have learnt many steps till now in our computer. So what are the steps to use that find and replace option? So first is click on find and replace option which will be there. Okay, a find and replace window will appear. Okay, one window will appear. In the first search box, type the word. Search box and text box is the same. Okay, in the first search box, type the word that you want to search, and in the second one is replace box, replace with box, type the word that you want to replace with, and click the replace button. It will replace one occurrence, and if you want to replace all, click on replace all, and then click on close button. Now just finding that binocular, if it is quite hard for you, we have a computer shortcut also, keyboard key shortcut also. And what is the shortcut? Control plus F. CTRL means control key. We have two control keys on our keyboard, that control key plus F option. F means for find. Understood? So we have learnt about how to find and replace the text or particular word or particular phrase. Got it? Yes. Let's go to next topic, next point. Now bullets and numbering. What are these bullets? Gun wale? No, bullet means the symbols, okay, which are used in front of particular text, जो एक line में लिखा जाता है ना. So bullets and numbering are used when we want our text to look very good or appear in the form of list. So bullets में क्या होता है? Bullets are nothing but some dots or some particular symbols that will be added at the beginning of your each text or words list. जो भी आपकी लिस्ट होगी उसके बिगिनिंग में वो क्या होंगे? सम डॉट्स या कुछ सिंबल्स यूज किए जाएंगे. एंड इन नंबरिंग देयर मे बी अ नंबरिंग ऑफ 1 2 3 like ABC, small abc, capital ABC, then we have that another option for numbering. Okay, that options also we can use. Now bulleted list, here in that figure you can check one box is given of bulleted list. Keep saving your work, use appropriate folders to save your work, seek permission before deleting a file, delete unwanted files from your computer. So before each and every line one dot is given. That dot is nothing but the bullets that you are using. So bullets are used for typing, okay, unordered list, where items in the list are not in sequence, or it doesn't matter whether it is sequence or not. जहाँ पे आपको एक्चुअल सीक्वेंस की जरूरत नहीं है, एक्चुअल पूरा ऑर्डर की जरूरत नहीं है, वहां पे वी कैन यूज बुलेटेड लिस्ट. अंडरस्टूड? ओके. एंड नंबर्ड लिस्ट, वेयर यू वांट योर all those things should be in proper sequence, proper order, that time you will use numbered list. So numbers are used for ordered list where the sequence of the item is important. Understood? Bullets and numbering. Now how to apply that bullets and numbering? Okay, and this task we will be doing in our computer lab. Or if you have a computer at your home, so just create the same list in OpenOffice Writer and apply bullets and numbering option to the same list, or you can change the list also. Okay, the next point is text alignment. Now what is meant by alignment? Alignment means how your text will be presented in that OpenOffice Writer file. Now alignment means you can align means arrangement of your text in a particular way. So how many ways are there in which you can align your text? So there are 4 ways are there. Which are those? Left, center, right and justify. 4 are there. Which are those? Left, center, right and justified. So this alignment is used how your text will be shown or placed on your page, which is OpenOffice Writer page. So for each and everything we have shortcut. Like if you want to put your text into the right side, you will use Ctrl+R, and if you want to keep it in center, you will use Ctrl+E. For left, Ctrl+L. For right, Ctrl+R. For center, Ctrl+E. And to justify means all text should occupy the whatever the space we have, that time we will use Ctrl plus J. Now I will be showing you some examples. Yes, I'll show you on screen only. Okay, so here you check a particular text boxes are added now. In first text box, which is at the top, text is aligned in a left alignment order. Means what? लेफ्ट साइड को सभी टेक्स्ट एक ही जगह से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, बट एंड एक जगह पे नहीं हो रहा है. मीन्स स्टार्ट इज एट द लेफ्ट साइड, मीन्स ऑल आर अलाइन इन लेफ्ट ऑर्डर. इन द सेंटर यू कैन चेक विच एवर द स्पेस वी हैव, your text is at the center of your screen. In third, that is right alignment, all are not starting at particular point but all are ending at particular point. सब लोग एक लाइन में एंड हो रहे, मीन्स दैट इज राइट अलाइनमेंट. एंड द लास्ट वन दैट इज जस्टिफाई अलाइनमेंट, उसमें क्या होता है, your application will automatically add particular space in those words and in line so that all will start in a particular way and end in a particular line only. Means पूरा एक साथ एक लाइन में पूरा अच्छे से दिखने के लिए. Understood? This is text alignment. So we have Control plus L for left, Control plus R for right, Control plus E for center and Control plus J for justify. Got it? Yes. Now format paintbrush. What is, we have learned paintbrush बाबा, जिसमें हम पेंटिंग करते हैं, ड्राइंग करते हैं. What is this format paintbrush? So this format paintbrush is used. Suppose एक टेक्स्ट आपने बहुत अच्छी तरह से ऐड किया है. You have typed your name, you have applied bold style, italic style, changed the font, you changed the font color also, and then below that you have typed your friends names and all that. But now आपको उस जो आपके फ्रेंड्स के नाम आपने टाइप किए, you want to apply the same. You want to apply the same formatting of your name to their name. So that time this format paintbrush option will be used. So format paintbrush is used for copying that particular formatting of that particular one section or particular one line or a text and apply the same to another. Okay, and this tool is very helpful when you have more than one formatting styles that you have applied and you wish to apply the same to other text also. Understood? Now this is one paragraph that you have to read. Now this was about formatting paintbrush. The same will be shown to you practically also in other window. So I hope you have understood whatever the topic was today. Remaining topic we will be covering in our next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.